So the question is, how is it that Lord Vishnu, Shri Lakshay Vishnu, is in charge of the material world? How is he free from the influence of the modes of nature when Brahma and Shiva are apparently, who are controlling the mode of passion for creation of this world, Brahma, and the mode of ignorance or tamagun for destruction by Shiva? So he's controlling sattva, which is the energy of goodness, sattvagun. So why isn't he affected by the material contact with the material sattvic energy? Yeah?
Yeah. Is he situated in sattva guna? He's controlling it?
No, he's not situated. It's like a captain is on a boat and he's driving the boat across the ocean, but he's not wet.
Okay.
Right? Unless he turns over, capsizes. So the captain's controlling the vast boat, and the boat is sailing across the ocean, but he's totally dry. So Vishnu is just his energies. Parasya Shaktir Vividaya Shriyate Sabhavaki Jnana Balikriyacha. How is this entire factory? There's a steel factory in Raipur, which is Orissa, and there are 5,000 employees there. And the owner of the factory is somewhere else. And there's so much Rajaguna in that factory, and so much Tamaguna in that factory. But the owner is totally aloof. But just by his thoughts and by his words, it's all going on. But he's not contaminated. The sun is situated in the sky, and there's so many contaminants. But the sun, whatever it touches, it purifies. So he's not affected by it. That's the basic point. And ultimately, that's the difference, because there's a spiritual Shiva and spiritual Brahma who are completely Vishuddha Sattva. They're parishads of Lord Narayan in the spiritual world. Ganapati is there and everyone is there. And they're spiritual forms. It's told by Jiva Goswami, Sandarbhas, and other places. Rama Samhita, but Sandarbhas and Puranas everywhere still. So Vishnu, he's a little different, because even though he contacts this energy, there's no influence or effect on him. He's not chasing after Mohini Murti. What to speak of his daughter. Shiva chased after Mohini Murti, who's a Shakti of Vishnu. And Brahma chased after his daughter. One Brahma, so many Brahmas are there. Like you say, oh, the President of America, he fooled around with this washing lady or something like that. Dishwasher. So that's, which president? Every president? Is it a president? Is it a president? A president that the president fools around with the floor washer? So it's a post, it's a position, prime minister, and the occupier of that position changes from time to time. So Vishnu, Shiva, and Brahma, they're all posts, and different personalities take those posts, but Vishnu is eternal. He's always in that post. So the personalities that in the material world that are operating as Shiva, and of course Shiva is a different tattva, but Brahma is some Jiva that's observed Varnashram Dharma perfectly for so many births, he becomes Brahma and all these things. They're post position. But what does Gita say about being Brahma? 8:16. Take your hand away from your mouth. This is Krishna's words you're speaking. Your mouth, hands are all dirty, guilty. What jati are you in? Bolo? Abrahma bhavana loke punar. It's like nice, loud. It's proud, loud and proud. You can have pride in your guru. You can have pride in Krishna. Chatuskamar. Where's the other two? Never heard of Chatuskamar?
4 Kumaras.
Yeah.
So you're two. Where's the other two? Because one was speaking, but he was stuttering. So then the second Kumar came in to help him. So then